Okay guys, welcome back to OBAAPA kitchen, and today we are here once again. We are coming to prepare egg vegetable stew. So let me show you my ingredients. We have fresh tomato as usual is here. We have the cooking oil, we have our onions and garlic. This is our eggs, and these are our vegetables. We have the carrots, green pepper, green beans, and we also have cucumber. Today I'll add cucumber to the stew for you guys to see how I'm going to do the vegetable stew. This is our spring onion. As usual, the pepper, the mixture of the pepper is here again, the red pepper and then the green pepper. And I have my tomato puree. As you know, we have the salt also here. And this is our salmon. So guys, we are coming to start with the stew. Okay guys, we are coming to start with the stew. So this is our pepper, onion, and then also garlic. As for me, when I'm blending all this, I normally put the green pepper seed. I mix it together to blend them together. So I'm going to blend all this for us to use it to start the stew. So I'll be right back. Now I'm putting in my cooking oil. As usual, we are starting with the cooking oil. We are going to leave the oil to heat so that I'll add my onion. Today, dear, our egg vegetable stew is going to be super. The onion in the oil for it to turn golden brown. We don't want it to turn brown, just a little bit of brown, then we'll add our things together. Now guys, we are putting in our pepper and onion, what do you call it, garlic. There are a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, we are putting them together. I'm coming to stir it for a minute. Salmon. This stew without salmon, there is like as a Ghanaian stew the cranky. Until my salmon kakra, now my aroma no, I say I am more. I'm adding a little bit of salmon to it to make the taste come out very, very good. Okay guys, now we are adding our tomato puree. We are just mix tomato puree. Toast, now I'm coming to add my fresh tomato, the chopped one. I'm adding it. I'm going so for some time. Next, me Okay, now guys, you can see that the stew is almost ready. So now I'm coming to add my sauce. And then after that, I'll put in the eggs and then the vegetables. So I'm adding a little bit of salt to it. So any spices that you want to add to your recipe for it to taste the way you want it, you can add it. So now we are adding the eggs. Any amount of egg that you want to add is up to you. Maybe share the rest till you sit here and with the whole Kosia. I'm not Kosia, I'm just going to say a year, Maracoma, a demontin, a million. And to share the quantity of the stew that you are doing now, then you can look over and add your eggs to it. So I think the egg is okay for me. So you two, the one person watching out there, if you check your stew, the quantity of the stew and the way you are going to add your eggs, any amount that you want to add, you can add it. Okay guys, you can see the way I wanted the egg. This is exactly the way I want the egg to be. And percent a day, just like this. I'm coming to add my vegetables. As for the vegetables, I'm starting with the spring onion. Yeah, this is my spring onion. Let me stew. I'm starting with the spring onion here. Guys, you see how the spring onion has made the stew change its color. Yeah. Starting with the spring onion. After that, I'll bring in my onion. As usual, I like onions a lot. So I'm putting in my onions. This is my onion. After the onions, I'm coming to add the rest of the vegetables to the stew. Here you can see cucumber, carrots, and we also have green pepper and green beans together inside here. So I'm adding all of these vegetables inside my stew. So this is the way I want it. Guys, you can see how the vegetable stew has turned out to be. This is the way I like my vegetables stew. I smell it too good. I'm going to focus on I smell yama. Obi dremi ke pie free demo business den na ekoso wa ha. Eduane recipe na ekoso wa ha. Apart from OBAAPA'S kitchen, you can't get this recipe from anywhere. So guys, this is our vegetables egg stew, and we are coming to eat it with plain rice and fried plantain. That is what we are going to use this vegetable to eat. So guys, stay tuned and wait for the rice and then the red plantain to be fried and ready, and you will see how this stew is going to go. See you in a minute. Okay guys, you can see that now our vegetable egg stew is ready. You will be eating with plain rice. The plain rice never quite actually ain't it ready. So guys, stay tuned and wait for the rice to be cooked. Now guys, the rice is ready. Amuna you ready, baby. Ye bedi mo e kana ye mo ni so yi mark. This is our vegetable stew. Ye ready. Added my cocoa. Wait. Okay, now guys, our food is ready. As you can see how it's smelling. Vegetable stew, pan, plain rice. No one now walk quiet. Hey, I do. Ice. Then yeah, OBAAPA'S radio to Brabedi Mame. Always remember to subscribe to OBAAPA'S Kitchen. Always. Apart from OBAAPA, you won't get this recipe from anywhere. So always remember to subscribe to OBAAPA'S Kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you on our next episode. Bye bye.